The weather's terrible over here, a lot of flooding. It's isolated from Christchurch. Nobody can get through at the moment. The field behind us just here is where we normally land, but obviously it's flooded.
Well, I went to bed about 10 o'clock last night and it was not a sign of the river. Get up at 6 o'clock this morning and it's gone. Half the farm's underwater.
Yeah, I live there, so yeah, we just came and picked up the fish that got washed out of the pond. Yeah, just after the flood, so we can put them back.